in between you to express my views and share my thoughts with you. All of us know that, as you know, that English is an international language which is spoken everywhere. If we know English, we can interact with anyone, and if you would like to go abroad, you can go over there easily if you know English, if you have good command over it. And I think that, according to me, English is so beautiful language and logical language. Wherever we go, we can get respect, and it makes our personality. It gives us plenty of confidence. That's why English is compulsory nowadays. In the present scenario, in the modern age, people would like to improve their communication skills. But if you would like to improve your communication skills, according to me, it seems to me that you should do practice for that. If you do practice a lot, if you work harder a lot, we can improve our communication skills. We can get improvement. But it depends on you, how much you practice every day, how much you work hard. So that's why I'm saying that if you are willing to speak, if you are willing to learn this language, you must do practice more and more, as much as you can. So I think that as far as English is concerned, it's most important in everyone's life. It plays crucial role in one's life, and we can say we can go anywhere, and we can make our bright future. We can get good job, and if you want to get good job, whatever you want to do in your life, you should have good command over it. You must have good communication skills, and that's then you can get good job. Whatever you do, whether you do business or job, English is compulsory. It's mandatory in one's life. Without knowledge of English, it is very difficult for us to get job. We cannot face the interview. We cannot get good job. What can we do? We cannot do anything. So that's why I'm saying that if you want to improve your communication skills, you must work hard a lot every day. Are you getting what I'm saying? So, and I think that Abhi, now what happens with you? Whenever you speak English, you feel bafflement while interacting with others. You feel nervousness, hesitation. You should remove your hesitation, and you should not get nervous while speaking. You must be confident for that. Whatever you are going to speak, you should be positive, and you have to build up your confidence. Confidence is also compulsory. Without confidence, you cannot speak anything. You cannot speak even a single sentence. So that's why I'm saying that. But I think this language is not difficult language. It can be learnt easily. And but first of all, according to me, what I think, grammar is compulsory. If you know grammar, if you know translation, if you know how to translate some sentences, how to translate the sentences, you can speak well in front of anyone with a lot of confidence and flawlessly. So that's what I'm saying. Understood what I said? Are you getting what I'm trying to say? Okay, enough for today.